All right, boys and girls, here we are. Day 19. Of March. What's going on? Number 1. Add 100 to 26. 126. Now, we're going to subtract 28. What if we just subtracted 26? Okay, so let's just take away 26 for a moment. And what does that leave us? 100, right? Okay, well, how do we get from 28 to 26? We subtract 2, right? So what's 2 less than 100? Yeah, just count. 99, 98, right? 98. A little mental math for you, huh? Yeah. Now it says subtract 49. Okay, here's some crazy mental math. We can pretend that's 100, and we can pretend that's 50. Okay? 100 minus 50 is 50. So what's 49 and 49? It's 98. Okay, so subtract 49, you get 49. Okay, let's just go over here and do it anyways, okay? So let's go 26 plus 100, okay? And that equals a 6 and a 2 and a 1. Great. Now we're going to take away 28. We can't do that. We're more on the floor. Borrow from next door. 16 minus 8 is 8. We cannot do 1 minus 2. We got to borrow from next door. 11 minus 2 is 9. Hey, that's what we got. All right. Now we have to subtract 49 yet. So let's take away 49. There's more on the floor. Let's borrow from next door. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. Yeah, we got it right. Sometimes the mental math just works better, doesn't it? If you can see those patterns, that's really what we're looking for in math. Making it easy, right? Making it easy. Okay, let's do some measuring. Measure this line of mushrooms to the nearest inch in centimeter. All right, so here's to the nearest inch. Remember, we always got to zero it first, right? So we're going to zero it by putting it right on that line. Now, over here, it's really close to the 2, isn't it? Pretty close. And it's to the nearest inch, so it's closer to the 2 than it is to the 1. So, to the nearest inch is 2 inches. Now, let's go to the nearest centimeter. Again, let's zero it. Got to get that line on that line, so we zero it out. Now, to the nearest centimeter, I see it's between the 4 and the 5, right? And it's closer to the 5 than it is the 4. So they're going to say 5 centimeters. All right, 2 more. Finn's mystery number. Ooh, I like these. Finn is thinking of an odd number. 13579. It is 30 less than 43. What number is it? Oh, well, 43 minus 30. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 13. Whoop, whoop. You can also think of it as just 3 tens less than 43. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? Kind of a way to do that. 4 minus 3. Mental math. Finn has 27 gold coins. Stumpy has 35 more coins than Finn. How many coins does Stumpy have? So let's see. Finn has 27 and Stumpy has 35 more than 27. Okay, so we're going to add 27 and our 35. What's 7 plus 5? Yeah, 12. And 3 plus 2 plus 1, that's like 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, how many coins? 62 coins. All right, boys and girls, I can't believe it, but we're down to day 20 tomorrow. That's it. Awesome work. See you tomorrow.